Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with this Punjabi makeup tutorial for all you guys. As you guys already know, I'm doing this Indian makeup series. I'm already done with one look, which is the Gujarati makeup tutorial, and today I'm here with the Punjabi makeup tutorial. I hope you guys will enjoy this makeup series, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this video, and even don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. Please guys, make sure that you are getting the notifications. If you're not, just check out the bell icon. There is 3 options in there. You have to put it in all, so you'll be notified with all my videos coming up soon. And yeah, without wasting much time, let's get into this video. So guys, first for the primer, I am using MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and I'm going to spritz this all over my face. Next, for my foundation, I'm taking Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Next, to conceal and highlight my face, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. Now to set my face, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Kit, and I'm using the Banana shade. Now for contouring my face, I'm going with the brown shade from the same palette. Now it's time to fill in my brows, and for that I am taking L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit, and I'm going to fill in these sparse areas. And then let's move on to the eyeshadow. The first palette I'm going with is this NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and this is the Warm Neutrals palette. Taking this brown shade right here as my transition shade and going with that on my crease area. And the next shade, I'm picking up this pink right here from Makeup Revolution Temi X Tropical Carnival palette. And again taking this pink on the crease area and even blending it on the outer V. And make sure you're not elongating that, keep it rounded. And even smoking out the lower lash line with the same 2 shades. Next, from the same palette, I'm taking this lilac shade and applying that on the inner half of my eyes. Now Now again I'm taking that pink shade from the palette and applying that on the outer part of my eyes where I'm going to blend both the colors together. And for the inner corner highlighter, I'm going with this shade right here from the NYX Ultimate palette. Now for the kajal, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. And now for the wing, I'm going with Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner. For the mascara, I am applying the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I am going for 2 coats of this mascara on the upper and even the lower lashes. And next for the glitter liner, I am going with Miss Claire Pearl Glitter Liner. This is in the shade 16. Done with my eye makeup, going back to the face again, and now I'm left with the blusher. So I'm going with Makeup Revolution Hot Spice Blusher Palette, mixing with Milani Powder Blush. This is in the shade 01 Romantic Rose. Now I'm taking the highlighter from Maybelline. This is the Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. For my lipstick, I'm taking Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade 04 Plum Yum. So guys, this is how the look turned out. I absolutely love this pink color, and if you guys already know, I love pink. I'm over obsessed with pinks, and I have seen Punjabi girls, they carry pink very beautifully, and I thought, why not, let me just do a pink makeup look for you all. Otherwise I would have gone for orange or red because they even love orange and red color. Mostly I have seen Punjabi girls, they wear pinks and they look absolutely gorgeous. So here is this makeup look for you all. I polled on my YouTube if you would like to watch the Punjabi makeup look or the Lucknowi makeup look. Many of you asked me for Punjabi, many of you asked me for Lucknowi, and then there was a 50-50, so I thought let me go with what I thought. So here I am, but now when I checked my phone, it was like Lucknowi. So it's going to come up very soon, and I hope you guys are doing well in this situation. So stay safe, stay at home, and yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.